Hello guys, good morning and happy weekend to everyone. And I have a bird on my head. When I was about to start my recording, he just sit on my head. He fly and sit on my head.
That's funny. And
Yes.
he's a dull bite.
Yes, so my daughter will remove it from
Get
my
off
head.
it. Get off. Get off. Go.
Anyway guys, today today we're gonna make a leftover roasted pig or lechon. We call it lechon in my country, which is Philippines. We call it lechon. So today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my Bisaya style lechon. So first thing and foremost, let me show you my ingredients. Video guys, I'll show you on how I'll make my lechon paksiw, or else how do you call it, lechon paksiw, yes, lechon yes, lechon paksiw in Bisaya style. So again so again it's on my head.
Stop it.
Ay,
No,
okay. Anyway, guys, this is a Bisaya style since I'm from Negros Island.
Come here. No. Bed.
Come.
Bed. Oh my gosh, he's
Hey,
biting me.
Spikey, don't do that.
He's biting me.
She's very naughty.
I forgot to tell you that her biting is not that painful,
Yes.
but this time this is so painful.
Yes. Anyway, so today, first thing and foremost, wait, I'm lost. I don't know where am I now. Anyway, so today I'm going to make a lechon paksiw, a Bisaya style. So first thing and foremost, let me show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. Oh, I have here, this is an onion, I have a bay leaves, I have peppercorn, I have garlic, and the green chili is just an optional. Actually, you don't have to put it, but since I love to eat spicy food as well as my husband, so I'm putting this green chili. I have here a vinegar. Actually, when I bought my roasted pig or lechon, it comes with the sauce, which is the vinegar sauce. So I'll use this instead. And we will be needing a soy sauce. What I have is dark one. And we need some salt. We need some sugar. And of course, our main ingredients. This is the roasted pig. So as you can see, this is the roasted pig. Or lechon baboy. So now let's start our cooking. Guys, Isabella wants to show her
Stop.
hamster. So we have also hamster in the house.
Nya.
So these are our hamster. See?
She likes to eat peanuts, and I give her for that as a treat.
Yes.
Since she's being good.
So now our house is soon is gonna be a mini zoo because my husband actually is planning to get next month, okay, which is on September. She's planning to get some. He's planning to get a big aquarium with lots of fishes in that. So now it's like it's like a mini zoo house. So we have a bird, we have a
hamster.
The type of bird that we have is a cockatiel,
And it's a female.
and it's a female.
It doesn't. But if it's a male, then it can
Talk. And then we have here also, we have a hamster.
Named Ginger.
Ginger, she's also a girl. So actually, we bought Ginger when the last time we've gone to the zoo. So inside that, yes, inside that zoo, they have a small pet shop. So Isabella wanted to get some hamster. Anyway, actually, she's yes.
Because our last fish, Miley, died.
Yes.
And then we buried in our
Garden.
garden.
So actually, she's been really asking us to have a pet, but she wanted to have a dog. But since dog is too much too much
Caring.
work.
Yeah.
And then plus, we only living in a studio, so having a dog, it will not be possible for us.
But only in India,
Yes.
Mama and Dada can afford a dog.
Yes, so it's not really possible in our space is not that big
Yeah,
enough
so this-
to accommodate the needs of the dog.
And
They needs a
also-
space.
Yeah.
And since hamster and a bird are just a small ones, and we
And-
can just put in the cage, so that's why we
And
decided
we
to have
just
these
like
two
little,
pets.
like caring of, like
Yes.
little taking care. So
Yes, it's easy to taking good care of. Anyway, hamster, you don't have to give them a bath. They just have to groom themselves, and as
If
well
they-
as for
if they
the
groom,
yes.
then that means they're happy.
Yes, and then and for the cockatiel, for our bird, we actually her name is Spiky, so we just have to spray with water and just like that, and then it's done. His shower is done, so it's not so much, and then we just have to give them food one in the morning, and it will like. Then we just have to give them one time food, like we just put in their plate like in the morning, and then again on the next day morning we can what we call that, we can replace that with a new one.
And Ginger is a night animal. She wakes
Yes.
up at night and mostly little bit
Yes.
sleep, I think, sometimes
Yes.
early.
Okay, anyway guys.
And you know what? She
Ah.
slept in the tube. We got her a new cage and
Yes.
she slept in the tube.
Again, oh my God. So anyway guys, let's just have to finish our cooking. Because it's already Bella, put this in the cage. Okay, anyway guys, sorry for that. So now let's start our cooking. Now first in our pan we have to add some oil just to cook to saute our onion, garlic, and other ingredients. So we need this one first to saute. So now first we have to dump our bay leaves, of course, and then followed by the peppercorn, and then our green chilies, and last our onion. And we just have to saute this until it gets translucent. So now followed by a garlic, and then just saute. Who's that monkey's dancing there? And now this is done. Now we have to drop our meat. And then we have to add some salt. And some sugar. And a soy sauce. Since this is a dark soy sauce, even if you put less, the sauce becoming like so dark. Because I don't have that other soy sauce, like the Filipino soy sauce. I don't have that. So now we just have to simmer this, cover and simmer for just about 5 minutes. We have to mix well. And now we have to cover this, simmer for 5 minutes. Now let's check. Oh, that is very nice color. So now after this, we have to put some water. I don't have actually the exact measurement for this, so it's just as per to your liking. So I don't have a measurement. And this meat is just like 500 grams. No, not 500, around 600 grams. Because this was the leftover from yesterday. We've gone to the beach and actually I ordered this. We had this on the beach, but we have leftover. So now again, after you have added the water, now you just have to simmer this again for another 5 minutes. Then you can add your vinegar. So next steps and the last step is we have to add our vinegar. So this is the vinegar I have. I don't think so I have to use this all up because it's gonna be sour then. So now again we have to simmer this again for just another few minutes, like maybe 2-3 minutes would be enough. And my bird keep on chirping and he's on my head again.
And my bite is a paper.
So now let's check. So by the way guys, this the what we call this, the taste of this I already been adjusted during off-cam. So now this is perfect now for us. So as you can see, oh wow. Diet no more. It's delicious. And it is spicy as well, so this is what I wanted. So I achieved the taste and the spiciness that I want to achieve. So now it's ready to serve. Ta-da! So this is the recipe that I could able to share with you, and this is the Bisaya style of Lechon Paksiw or roasted pig. And if you like this recipe or this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. Until then, I'll see you to my next one. Bye! Wait guys, Isabella wanted to show our new hamster cage. So here it is.
So this is the new hamster cage, and there's three bowls in each.
3 layers.
3 layers of bowl, and we put oats on the top and some apple and what is that?
Lettuce.
Lettuce and some
Oats. Oats.
No, what is
No, this is the
the
hamster's food.
hamster's food?
We don't know what we call it actually.
Yeah, we don't know.
The oats and the apple and lettuce is just her treats.
Yeah.
She has a healthy treats.
And this is the tubes where she goes
Yes.
in.
She's
and,
playing here.
Yeah, and she literally sleeps here.
Yes.
And she goes here, and she goes from the same tube that she went to the second.
Yes. So okay. So this is also our
Like, press this.
yes. Then close it. Same
And
one.
Ginger's right here biting.
So Ginger is there.
Biting.
Hi Ginger, what are you doing, baby?
Nah.
She wanted to come out. Okay. So
I get her out, but she's like, no, thank you.